Welcome to this tutorial where I will show you how to change your email address in the VSCO app quickly and easily. Whether you want to update your contact information or switch to a new email, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly on your phone. First, open the VSCO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom to access your account details. Then, look for the Edit button at the top and tap on it to enter the editing mode. After that, scroll down until you find the email field. Here, you will see your current email address. Remove the old email by clearing the text and then enter the new email address you want to use. Be careful to type it correctly to avoid any issues with account recovery or notifications. Finally, once you have entered the new email, look for the Save icon at the top right and tap on it to confirm the changes. Thank you for watching.